we are going to talk about how social media analytics can be applied in sports event marketing, where we have tried to identify few measures for SNS, which we call social networking sites. Secondly, we have also done some sentimental analysis on some posts, Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and the paper talks about what are the measures that can be taken for social networking sites. So, to start with, we have done some literature review. Mumko is one of the person who has done a lot of research on sports analytics, and he has identified three measures: reach, engagement, and brand sentiments, which are very important as far as the social media activities going on and off field. Creating a meaning and bond between team and the fans is also one of the area where we would like to focus upon. There is a huge opportunity in sports right now, in sports analytics, where we are heading for around $4.7 billion market by 2021. Social media analytics can be done using, or the methods that are applied in social media analytics are text analysis, network analysis, and trend analysis. But our study is restricted to the text analysis. Okay? And there are different studies and different parameters or factors which has been tested in sports, where socialization is one of the key factors which motivates people to attend or participate in sports. Because if you see, there are two types of people in sports. One is the participants, other one is the spectators. Okay, so there will be a kind of networking or relationship or bonding which is going to happen, interaction which is going to happen in the social media. So, need for social media in sports. Why we need social media in sports? Governing body, because there is a huge opportunities for the governing bodies, tourism industry, native people who would like to interact with people, players, sponsors. Sports service quality, here there are some studies which have been done on reliability, responsiveness, score, value, which all leads to user satisfaction and enhancement of emotional experience in sporting events. Consumer behavior, consumer emotion and consumer behavior towards digital media. How the most important part which I would like to tell you over here is that need for sports, social media in sports is how, when and where social media impacts the consumers is very important for us to understand. So that is where I started working for my study, and also I started to think about what are the measures that we can apply in social media. Just like quality, service quality model, similarly, what kind of quality model or quality dimension that we can think about for evaluating the things or activities going on in social media. So there are studies by Ramachandran Ramasubramanian, where he has talked about outgoing events, personal experiences, public interest, ideas, and personal updates can lead to event detection. Okay, so these are the various aspects that we would like to touch upon when we are talking about social media analytics in sports. The objective of the study is to measure quality dimensions for social networking sites, analyze the social media posts with respect to global events like US Open, Tour de France, using sentimental analysis. Methodology that we have applied is content analysis, where we have also tried to think about ethnography and applied sentimental analysis through Facebook and Twitter. The validity of the study has been tested using adequate referencing method. The research question that comes out is, how effective is social media in sports event promotion while reaching out to target audience? So if you are taking three measures, that is reach, this is first which we would like to talk about. So let me give you one instance of this first question. Instagram has been applied in Polish football soccer league quite effectively, where they have tried to find out the training of athlete preparedness, press conferences, transfer and sponsor events. How does it impact the audience? And it also shows that there is a huge audience appeal when we are discussing about these issues in social media online forums, and that has led to a huge fan base. Previously, it was not like that when the Polish league started, but once the social media came into aspect, you can see the fan base of Legia Warsaw has increased to 18,000. Likes have increased to 18,000 when the league was going to end. So all these things we can able to understand. See, we can able to foresee what is going to happen, or what is the how much attendance will happen in any kind of event, or how the audience or spectators are taking those events. All these things can be arrived upon when we are talking about reachability. Okay, so analytics which has been applied is Pearson's rank coefficient and Wilkinson match pairs test to analyze the data from selected websites. Second question that came to our mind is, how engaging is social media for sports event marketing? So here we have taken an instance of US Open, where we have gone to Twitter counter and we have tried to find out the average tweet when the US Open is going on is 2018, I am talking about, is 67 tweets per day. The audience attentiveness score of 52%. The level of engagement was very high, and one observation that we make out from these tweets that were data collected from Twitter counter, that weekends and when players are having higher ranking, there are more spectators or there are more fan base which is happening, or more people are getting engaged. So here we are trying to focus on, see, the following, the fan following happens when the events are happening during the weekends. How engaging is social media for sports event marketing? Here also we have done some studies on visual Twitter analytics, where we have found out that the Twitter or tweets which are going on can be positive, neutral, negative tweets, and there are a lot of issues that we can discuss while we are trying to engage the consumers, like team performance. So these factors are very important. Scheduling, time plan of event, very important when we are talking about engaging the consumers. So that's the reason probably the digital platform is one of the pivotal platform to boost sports events globally. Similarly, sponsorship, crisis situation, release new products, all these things are very important. Or even suppose in one of the leagues I found out in UEFA League that they are offering free tickets to the spectators or fans who would like to go for a particular match. They might be a fan of a particular player. So all these things plays a really positive part in terms of branding, or developing the brand, or increasing the brand equity of one organization. So finally, we come to this model which we proposed here, site order effects matrix, where we have tried to talk about reach, engagement, and brand sentiments, and under what situation these can be applied, and through which what are the analytics that we can use while we are dealing with all these measures. We can further do this study for into some other areas also, in sports, in some events, or in some other disciplines to improve. Even we can also apply these kind of things or these kind of measures to understand the behavior of the players or the interaction, how the interaction, like just like Serena Williams, how the brand value of Serena Williams have been questioned when there was a spat between the chair umpire and Serena Williams. Similarly, suddenly the owner of Leicester died in the field in an accident. So a lot of impact. So these kind of things. Similarly, one more example I can give you is Ronaldo when he was going through the scandal. How people are reacting to it and how he is handling those in Twitter. So all these things can be well managed if we are going to follow these three measures. Thank you. Any suggestions?